Christmas is all about?
Hey vlog, your girl is back with another vlog. This is gonna be Vlogmas day 4, and guess what? This is the day we leave for my birthday trip. Oh, we're gonna leave in a couple hours, and yeah, this is what I have packed so far. It's a freaking mess, I know. It's no type of like logic to it, and I just literally woke up, got out of bed, so I need to make my bed, finish packing. I need to pack my makeup. So yeah, let me go get some I don't know where my makeup bag is. I want to say I broke it, but right now I'm about to go get some Ziploc bags so I can put my makeup in something that it won't spill out in and get all over my suitcase. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. But yeah, ooh child, I really am tired because, oh yeah, I got my lashes done. My friend did my lashes. Shout out to Kiana. You follow her Instagram at Pretty Blinked Out. Her personal Instagram is Pixiana. But yeah, she did my lashes last night. It was until like 3 o'clock in the morning. Because she loves me. She loves me. And yeah. This is what we finna do. I'm about to start getting my gifts together. I mean, not my gifts, my makeup. I finished packing, and now I'm finna just like straightening my room, making my bed and stuff, and then throw my clothes on, because I think I might need to run to the store for a second, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna throw my clothes on. I need to charge my phone, but I already packed my charger and I don't feel like taking it out, so I'll just charge it in my car. Get my mask out of the dryer, because I washed some masks last night, some black ones, because when I wear makeup I wear black ones. So yeah, make my bed up.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I'm back, guys. I know, and I'm in the car. We getting ready to leave. I forgot to say that I was leaving because a lot's been going on. Huh? You driving? You look good. You got your hair cut. He said what? Oh yeah, they're right here somewhere. Okay, but yeah, y'all, we're about to get on the road, and those are yours. And I'm gonna see you guys once we get to the actual beach. It's a lot going on, real stressful, people cutting up. So yeah, I'm gonna just wait. Let me just set this real fast because it's acting stupid. They won't let me move it. What shoes? I can't fix it right now, so I'll just talk to you guys when I get there. Don't stare at me. These are my friends. Guys, so we made it to Walmart. Or we made it to the beach, and now we're going to Walmart. It's raining. So yeah, this is the exit. I'm about to just pick up a few things for the house. So yeah, I'll update you guys whenever we're getting stuff or when we're back at the cops. 20,000. 20,000.
We are specifically looking for a certain soda.
I mean, but pineapple always is good.
Yeah.
I thought it was $1 on the other one.
This is probably bigger than what was in the other one.
I'm gonna take you off.
flavor. Then you got, I don't know if I'm gonna do the brown, but anyway, we like to always get a plastic like Coke or Pepsi. Mousse? Yeah. Alrighty, to the juice section we go. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Alright guys, so we finally arrived at the resort, and now we're just riding to the house. Oh, you see, we stay super close. It's 4982. See, that's why I told you these driveways is not what we think is.
Wow.
That's why I said Janae's car might not fit.
But that big old Cadillac.
Yep. Oh, this is the house. I'm excited. Woo woo.
She waited for you.
Oh, mama's there. We going back in. Okay, you guys get the bags. I'm gonna go inside. I can't have balloons, but there's balloons in the house.
Surprise! Surprise!
Wow, she told me I can't buy balloons.
Surprise!
What'd she say?
What?
Is that my mom?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
She just called your name.
Huh?
We gotta
Because Nick wouldn't pull in.
Oh, you gotta pull that, because that thing can't be on the side of the road.
That's what I said. Mom, you tricked me.
Yeah, I tricked you, girl.
I got balloons. Wow. It's so nice. Y'all decorated for me? This is nice. Who, Nick? I think he's about to. Wow. It's my birthday! It's so nice. I was not being a brat. Dad, say hey to the vlog. Say hey to the vlog. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey.
Mom. Alright guys, so the moment that you've been waiting for, we're getting ready to do a beach house vlog. Huh? Oh no. I gotta go down to the front door. Sorry, Destiny. I'm gonna start from outside. Ah! So then it can be like a real tour. Okay. So y'all saw the outside of the house really basically. It wasn't nothing like crazy. But I'm gonna flip the camera so then I can do my vlog.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Hold on.
Yeah, you recorded for.
Okay, anyways, I was rudely interrupted, but alright, this is how we're doing it. We're ready to go in. So when you come in, this is what it looks like. Very, very high ceilings. They got my balloons. And then I'm gonna start downstairs first. So, boom. You walk down the stairs, there's like beach signs. Okay, why y'all got y'all jackets and stuff everywhere already? Dang, I'm trying to vlog. They disrespectful. And there's like a little trap door right there. You come in, this is my luggage, sorry. I think that goes to the garage, but I'm not sure. And then here's one of the rooms. This is the first room. It is a queen size bed in here. Giving flat screen closet. And then here is the bathroom. And then here's the shower. It's cute. And this is like, I think it's called a Jack and Jill bathroom because then it goes into another bedroom, which is a king size bed room with a nice TV. And then come out. This life is better at the beach. I think there's another closet. Yeah, another closet. And then you come back out. So we went in down there, came in down here because it connected with the bathrooms. Then you come in, here's another bedroom, it's double beds in here. Here's a TV. There's a closet here. And then there's a bathroom, super cute. But it's 21. Oh! Y'all, the house is so freaking nice. And then, okay, that's just downstairs. And then so now, hold on. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm coming upstairs. And y'all, it's so freaking nice. Look at the living room. It's so nice. Okay, but yeah, to the right is like a half bathroom. It's super cute. Very classy. And then you come out. And this is like considered the master. This is what it looks like. TV and stuff in here. Sorry. And this is the bathroom. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it's a lot of walk-in closet. Ooh, it's real big. I didn't know this was all of this in here. That's nice. Yeah, I'm out of breath. And I'm guessing this is the bathroom. Yes, the bathroom in here. And then, oh no, you're good. And so yeah, that's the master bedroom. And then you come out here. I'm gonna show you the kitchen. This is the eatery area. It's my parents and Ronnie. That's what this looks like. This is the kitchen. Super nice. Yeah, it's just so freaking nice. Way better than what I expected. Even though I already expected nice. And then what is this? Oh, like a little pantry. And so yeah, that's. Oh, one more thing. One more thing. It's probably my favorite part of the house. Smart TV. Yep. It's the freaking balcony. Are the lights out? I don't know how to work the lights out here yet. But this is the balcony. And it's just so freaking nice. That's the scenery. But yeah, y'all, this is like way. This is top notch. Way better than what I was thinking. And I'm so freaking excited. I just can't wait to get my 21st birthday shenanigans started. Oh, what's not focusing? Oh, there we go. But yeah, okay, honey. Period. And so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys for watching my video. This is Vlogmas Day 4. See y'all on Day 5. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. And we're about to turn up.